Hi, I'm Lisa Simmons. Today I'm going to do a pour using Dollar Tree Orange, Liquitex Phthalo Green, Artist Loft Flow White, Artist Loft Mars Black, Artist Loft Old Gold. So I'm just going to do a flip cup pour on for this. I've pre-treated my my cup with blaster silicone, and I put that in there so that the paint will release easily and you don't waste as much paint that way. None of my paints have been pre-treated with silicone. I'm going to put a few drops of spot on treadmill belt lubricant in my cup as I go along. My paints are mixed with a mixture of Floetrol and Elmer's glue all. I do not put any water in my paints. So, okay, let's get started here. My daughter chose these colors, and we're thinking, or she was thinking, that it's going to be kind of like a Halloween look. And here's my canvas that I had used for a previous video, and I did not like the results, so I scraped it off. It would help if I took the lids off. Love that phthalo green. And there's no brand for this orange. It's just some orange that I got at Dollar Tree that I mixed up. Hoping we get some pretty combinations here. Oops. Well, that was more than I wanted to put in. I just wanted a couple drops and it squirted out. I should know better. I shouldn't even squeeze it. A shot of gold through the center. Oh, that didn't work. There. So white. Okay. I'm going to give it a little swirl. Another drop or two of silicone on top. A little swirl here. And I like to let my cup sit there for a minute to give it a chance for the paint to all run down. Even though I do have the blaster in it, I still do that. My canvas is a little wet, but still, but I'm sure that's going to all be covered up very soon. see what we got. Ooh. Some interesting colors there. I'm going to let it sit for a moment, see what kind of cells come up before I torch it. See, almost all the paint is out of the cup. Interesting. Anxious to see what I get out of this. Looks like I might even get a galaxy look out of this, which is what I was going for before. Some cells popping up. I think I'm going to torch right now. I used my roommate's heavy-duty propane torch. I had a little butane torch, but it just didn't do the job for me. Some cool-looking cells coming up. Put a little black around this so the paint moves easier. Okay, let's tilt this bad boy and see what we get. I'm not seeing much of the gold in it. Get some pretty cool effects though. Some cool lacing. None of the real bold colors that I like. You know, go bold or go home. Kind of got a marbled effect. Definitely different. I think this definitely looks like a galaxy type of pour. Crazy colors here. Sorry if I'm quiet, I'm just concentrating here. I can't really talk through a whole video. I know there's some people that are some real good talkers out there. I'm just not one of them. It's funny, I got this area here in the center. It's like a cell, a big cell, and it's got a lot of little cells in it. It's kind of cool looking. can get it to do here. Kind of like to get that cell area to move more to the side. But that's not going to happen. Interesting, I've never had one come out like this. These colors are really different. I really like it though. Just a little tiny hint of gold here and there. That's funny because I put a lot of gold in there. Okay, well, that was really a surprise, but I really like how it came out. It's different than anything I've seen. Make sure all my sides are covered. I think that's going to dry really pretty. Okay then, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.